Are you looking to transform your smile? Look no further. Introducing HealPath Restore, Turkey's premier dental care service in Istanbul. Bringing you the most advanced treatments and techniques to give you the smile of your dreams. At HealPath Restore, we believe in the power of a confident smile. Our experienced team of dental professionals will work tirelessly to provide you with exceptional care and personalized treatment plans. From general dentistry to cosmetic procedures, we offer a wide range of services to cater to all your dental needs. Whether it's teeth whitening, dental implants, or orthodontic treatments, we have you covered. Our state-of-the-art clinic is equipped with cutting-edge technology, ensuring that you receive the highest quality care in a comfortable and sterile environment. But don't just take our word for it. Hear it from our satisfied patients who have experienced remarkable transformations at HealPath Restore. They couldn't be happier with their new smiles, and neither will you. And the best part? We are offering an exclusive Black Friday offer. Book a full package today and enjoy a massive 30% off. It's time to invest in yourself and your smile. So don't wait any longer. Contact us today via WhatsApp at +44 07788 231 316 or +90 536 838 8259. Our friendly team is ready to answer all your questions and assist you in booking your appointment. Transform your smile with HealPath Restore, Turkey's premier dental care service in Istanbul. Subscribe to our channel now for more information and updates.